Hello everyone, welcome to Mishi Arts. Today I'm here with a new tutorial, and the tutorial is about a snowflake. A snowflake that looks very pretty on the trees, or you can make a garral out of it, and you can also use in wrapping your gifts, like decorating your gifts with this, or you can also use in your greeting cards. So this is the first motif of our snowflakes, and it is one of the very easiest one. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So for this I'm using a scrap of yarn that I have, and you'll be needing a yarn, a tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors. So let's get started. We are going to start with a magic circle. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now double crochet into the ring, chain 2, and again double crochet into the ring, chain 2, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet, and chain 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and chain 2. Now we are going to pull our yarn so that our center is smaller and it looks something like this. Now into the third chain I did slip stitch, and our first round is complete. Moving on to the second round, we are going to chain 4 and make 3 double crochets into the chain 2 space that we have. One, 2, 3. Now chain 2. Moving on to the next chain 2 space and make 4 double crochets over there. In there. You can also say that. Again chain 2 and make 4 double crochets into the chain 2 space. 2, 3 and 4. Chain 2. I have made the last set of 4 double crochets into the chain 2 space and chain 2, and now I'm going to slip stitch into my third or fourth chain from the hook. Now we are going to slip stitch and come till the chain 2 space like this. Once we have reached over here, now it's time to make the points, the pointed edge, or this part, and this is the last round of our snowflake. So chain 3, slip stitch, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, slip stitch into the same space, chain 7, slip stitch, again chain 5, slip stitch, chain 3, 1 2 3 and slip stitch. So in this way we are going to complete our last round. Moving on, slip stitch into 4 double crochets of our last round and a slip stitch into the chain 2 space, and now chain 3, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, chain 7, slip stitch, chain 5, slip stitch, chain 3 and slip stitch. Our second set is complete. In this way we are going to complete all the sets, and so here I am at the end of our round and I have slip stitch after making 3 chains. Now it's time to fasten off. Leave a long tail of yarn and fasten off. Now what you have to do is just tie this yarn over here like this. Now take the tapestry needle and hide this tail through the yarn. And it's now secure. So cut this tail. And in this way we are going to do the same thing with this tail over here. Now comes the setting or the blocking time. So as you know how to block, I have shown the blocking method in my previous videos, or you can go and search for the blocking method by Mishi. And there are 2 ways of blocking. You can use glue and water to block this, or you can simply wet this piece of your motif and attach it with the pin, so it will also be blocked. So see, this is the one with blocking and this is without blocking. You can see the difference, and you can also hang it like this. You can leave a tail to hang on your tree or something like this. So that's it. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. Also leave a comment what next you would like to have the tutorial of. I really love reading your comments. Thank you so much. Have a great day.